Welcome back to Learning Made Fun, your ultimate destination for Linux content. Today, get ready to dive into troubleshooting as we uncover the Systemctl command. Now, whether you're a newcomer or a long-time subscriber, I've got some exciting and informative content lined up for you today. So grab your snacks, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's jump right in.
So we're in our web server running Apache 2, and we're having a couple of issues, and we're going to learn how to troubleshoot today. So let's see here. The first thing I want to do is make sure that I'm logged in as root, and I am, and I can confirm that by asking who am I, and I am the root user. And I could start off by using the top command that lets me know what services I have running. I can even confirm that Apache 2 is in here. So with the command Z, I can stop this. And I could also, let's just say that Apache 2 is the problem. I could go into Systemctl, and I could, let's start by saying status. I know it's running, but let's just do it at here. I'm going to say Systemctl status Apache, and it confirms that it's active and it's running. But if it wasn't, I could go ahead and say Systemctl start, for example. So let's stop it so that we can go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to confirm, let's see, status. And yep, it's not running anymore. Let's get back to the top. And I'm going to say Systemctl start Apache 2. And I can then test it again. Systemctl status, and I confirm that I'm running. So we've stopped it, we started it again, and let me just clear this up, get back to the top. So another thing that we could do is we could enable it or disable it, but let's just say that it was a service that you were running temporarily, shouldn't run anymore. Oops, I'm going to need sudo here. Systemctl, and disable is actually just one word. Disable, I'm sorry, one S. All right. And so now if I do a Systemctl status Apache, I'd have to stop it. Systemctl stop. Okay, it's not running anymore. So another thing that we could do is we could analyze to see if that was a problem or something else, if we're still have a problem with the system. So let's do a systemd this time. And then we're going to say systemd analyze and blame. And this lets us know how long something took to get started. Now this is something that we can do as soon as after a reboot. So for example, if I do a reboot right now, and I want to see how long it takes for one of my services to come up, I'm going to log in again. I'm going to go right to that systemd, analyze, and then blame. This is also a good way to get a baseline on something to see how long something takes to come up, for example. So let's go back and turn on our Apache server. So we're going to say Systemctl start Apache 2. We can do the status again. All right, and something else we can do is we're going to look to see if anything has failed. So let's do a Systemctl and we're going to say list units, this time dash dash failed. And it looks like we do have something wrong. In this case, it's the app armor dot service that's failing. So let's try something to work with this. Let's build on this. So we're going to say Systemctl list units again, and then we're going to do type equal service, and we're going to say the state is equal to failed. Okay, and it does confirm that this app armor is what has an issue. And so that's all for this video, and we'll continue troubleshooting on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.